This video will show you how to run Nexus node on your Android. So to run a Nexus node right on your Android, you should first go to Google Play Store and download Termux. It's a Linux terminal emulator for Android. Next is open Termux and run this command to update pages. You can see it on the screen. Next is to install required tools by running this prompt right here. Then clone the Nexus node setup script from the GitHub. Should git clone, then you should type this or type this prompt right here. You can type it right here. Next is to navigate to the folder and run the script. You should have this cd, which is the Nexus node setup, and bash install.sh. You should now follow on the screen setup and you'll create a wallet and your node will sync with your network. And that's it. Your Nexus node is now running on your Android and helping it secure the network and earning trusted keys.